Why do organisms compete for ecological resources? Have you ever wondered why animals and plants seem to be in a constant race for survival? The answer lies in the limited resources available in their environments. Organisms compete for essential resources like food, water, light, space, and nutrients. These resources are vital for their survival, growth, and reproduction. When multiple organisms need the same resources, competition naturally arises. In every ecosystem, resources are not unlimited. When they become scarce, organisms must compete to secure enough to thrive. This competition can happen within a species, known as intraspecific competition, or between different species, called interspecific competition. Both types of competition play a significant role in shaping the dynamics of ecosystems. Competition impacts an organism's fitness, which refers to its ability to survive and reproduce. When two organisms vie for the same resource, one often reduces the availability for the other. This interaction can lead to natural selection, favoring traits that help organisms gather resources more effectively or adapt to using different resources altogether. There are different forms of competition. Interference competition involves direct interactions, where one organism actively prevents another from accessing resources. This can be seen in territorial behaviors or aggressive actions. On the other hand, exploitation competition is indirect. Here, organisms consume resources, reducing their availability for others without direct confrontation. Another interesting type is apparent competition. This occurs when two species share a common predator. If one species increases in number, it can lead to higher predation pressure on the other species, affecting their populations. Competition also plays a vital role in defining ecological niches. An ecological niche is the specific role and space a species occupies within an ecosystem. To minimize competition, species often evolve to use different resources or utilize the same resources at different times or locations. This niche differentiation allows various species to coexist, even when they compete for similar resources. Understanding competition helps explain patterns of species distribution, population sizes, and biodiversity in ecosystems. It also has practical applications in conservation and resource management. For example, knowing how species might respond to habitat changes or invasive species can guide effective strategies. In essence, organisms compete for ecological resources because these resources are limited and essential for life. This competition shapes ecosystems by influencing which species survive, how they interact, and how they adapt to their surroundings.